as the lockdown going to start, so this is the rush for Blue Mart. Whoa. This all rush continues for the Blue Mart. This is all the queue for Blue Mart. Oh my goodness, social distancing. This is Lulu, the rush for Lulu, and the gate is the other way. Oh my goodness, the rush for Lulu. Whoa, this is family. Allah, so much rush. So rush for Lulu. Rush for Lulu. Oh my God. Costo में भी rush. The rush in Costo. Oh Lord. ये check करो. Oh gosh. The rush in the streets. It's morning 8 o'clock just now. The curfew is broken. Morning 8:30. See the rush. See the rush. Okay?
هلا بوي ايوه
Oh, see the rush. मैं यहाँ से जाने दो. वाह. ये देख यहीं से यानी अच्छा खासा police has come because there was a fight. गाड़ी का वीडियो. Police. They have closed it already, 11 o'clock. Searchers are coming in.
الوضع بجمعية مشرف حاليا. دعوة ايش دعوة ايش دعوة ايش دعوة يلا في ترمس.
هذه جمعية شامية شلون لاصقين ويا بعض. شوف هذا النظام الزين الحلو الفوضى وهذا وخر شوي وخر. بطل خل نصورهم. بطل شوي هذا نظامهم. الإدارة ضعيفة. الإدارة عندهم ضعيفة. يا جماعة هذا منظر جمعية الشامية. فوضى لا إدارة لا شيء. تفضلوا كلهم لاصقين ويا بعض ويقولون أمراض ما أمراض. منه تأخر شوي. كلها سويين وافدين ولاصقين ويا بعض. وين النظام؟ هذه جمعية الشامية. لا احنا لازم نوقف الحد هذا. احنا ربعنا ما مرضى الا من هذيل ترى. تفضلوا هذا جمعية الشامية يا جماعة.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई। देखो ये लुलु है, लुलु का सामने है। ये देखो कितना बड़ा लाइन है। अंदर का गेट बंद कर दिया लुलु का। ये देखो कितना लाइन है। अभी आदमी लोग सामान सही से मिल रहा है कि नहीं मालूम नहीं है भाई।
Water, social distancing. Either the rush here. This is too well. The rush. Everyone is rushing towards it, trying to boost up. These people are working hard. Rush. Waiting for the cashier. Our trolley is full. People are going empty trolley. But still there's lots and lots of crowd. Some people are carrying the tomatoes like this. Kofta. जरा वीडियो बना के आती। See the rush around, see the traffic. People are taking 2 to 3 trolleys. Those trolleys are not available. Things are getting over. Things are really getting over. They are refilling it. Long queue. People are gushing up things. Long queue. There's a lot of stock still. People are going happily. There's no more queue to come in. I think bachelors are still not allowed in. It's all clear. This side is all good. Reds are all over. Tomatoes. Bachelors are coming in. Things are getting over. And here, the things are getting over. They're free now. There's a good push-up rush. Bananas are coming in. Go. They are refilling it very nicely. Refilling is going on. So this is the scenario so far. Things are getting emptier. They're refilling it nicely. Tomatoes. No rush in fishies. Onion rush. So that's it. Announcement has been done and people are taking up making the grocery shoppings. Things look cool here, but after people are going peacefully, very nicely. Well, the real rush starts here. Excuse me, sir. क्यों क्यों
इसी के बराबर ही लग रहा है।
हाँ अंडा 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 यार वहाँ तो मिल ही नहीं रहा कुछ तो होगा
الخبز
Excuse me. Walnut brownie.
Dito lang naman yata ang ano nila, noodles, kasi nakalinya naman sa lahat. Oh.
syrup.